Get ready to mark and measure in every direction with the Woodpecker's 3D Multi-Marking Square. This tool brings next-level precision with built-in 45-degree and 90-degree angles, plus slots for parallel lines, offsets, and mortise layouts. Its three-dimensional shape grips the workpiece tightly, giving you absolute confidence in your cuts. Whether you're working on cabinetry or layout joinery, this tool saves time while boosting accuracy. The anodized aluminum build feels great in hand and screams durability. It's compact, but packed with versatility for small and big jobs alike. Mark, measure, and repeat flawlessly. Perfect for pros and hobbyists who crave perfection. You'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Forget everything you know about combination squares. This one's a game changer. The Woodpecker's indexable square system locks in precise angles faster than you can blink. With a patented indexing mechanism, you're guaranteed a rock-solid setup every time. Swap heads in seconds with absolute repeatability. From layout to checking angles, this tool adapts to every task on your bench. Its stainless steel blade glides smoothly, and the laser-engraved markings never fade. Whether you're building a bookshelf or framing fine furniture, accuracy is always in reach. It's engineered for woodworkers who settle for nothing but exactness, a must-have for those who demand precision on every cut. Edge marking just got a major upgrade with the Woodpecker's Edge Rule. Designed to hug the edge of your stock, this tool guarantees flawless parallel markings every time. With laser-engraved scales running along both edges, it eliminates guesswork and boosts your layout speed. The unique lip design ensures it doesn't slip while marking, great for drawers, doors, and cabinet layout, wherever consistency matters most. Available in multiple lengths for every size project. No more wobbly lines or wasted stock due to layout errors. The anodized aluminum finish resists wear while adding a sleek touch to your workspace. It's simple, accurate, and absolutely addictive. Say goodbye to glue squeeze-out disasters with the brilliant Woodpecker's Clamp Pal. This genius tool keeps your clamps elevated and your panels perfectly positioned during glue-ups. Designed with a groove for glue runoff, it prevents messes before they even start. It's a backsaver too. No more bending down to adjust slipping boards. The non-slip feet keep everything secure on your bench. Stackable, durable, and easy to clean. This is the ultimate clamping assistant. Whether you're gluing up a tabletop or assembling a frame, it takes the stress out of the process. Just set, clamp, and let it do the heavy lifting. Your glue-ups will never be the same. Dial in your table saw with surgical precision using the Woodpecker's Alina saw system. This clever setup ensures your blade, fence, and miter slot are all working in harmony. Just slide the aluminum bar into the miter slot and use the dial gauge to check alignment. Easy. It's a must-have for tuning up cuts and avoiding blade drift. Whether you're cross-cutting or ripping hardwood, accuracy starts here. Fine-tuning your saw has never felt this professional. It even stores neatly in your drawer when you're done. Make better cuts, save more material, and avoid frustrating rework. Woodpeckers helps you cut with confidence. When it comes to perfect 90-degree assemblies, the Woodpecker's Clamping Square Plus Mini is a total lifesaver. Designed for smaller projects, it fits right into those tight corners with ease. These mini squares give you the confidence to glue and clamp without second-guessing your angles. Made from durable, precision-machined aluminum, they hold their shape even under pressure. Whether you're building boxes, drawers, or picture frames, these squares make squaring up a breeze. Lightweight yet solid, they stay put while you work. Setup is simple. Just clamp and go. Ideal for woodworkers who deal with delicate or compact pieces. Precision has never looked this compact. Take layout accuracy to the next level with the Woodpecker's Pocket T-Squares. These sleek and portable measuring champs make quick work of precise markings. Perfect for drawers, rails, and small panels, they deliver accuracy right from your pocket. With laser-etched scales and tight tolerances, each line you draw is dead on. Available in various lengths to fit your workflow, they slide smoothly and feel premium in your hand. Ideal for fast, repeatable markings during layout or joinery. The T-head design holds snug against the edge, eliminating wobbles. Built tough from anodized aluminum, these tools last a lifetime. Pocket-sized power, professional results. Why carry a dozen tools when one will do it all? The Woodpecker's 12-in-1 layout tool is the Swiss Army knife of measuring gear. This all-in-one marvel combines square, saddle square, protractor, center finder, and more. Each function is accurate to the tiniest fraction, and every edge is polished to perfection. It's compact enough for your apron but powerful enough for your layout bench. The laser-etched markings won't fade, even after years of heavy use. Whether you're working angles, checking depth, or drawing parallel lines, this tool has your back. Simplify your workflow and speed up your process. It's pure layout genius in your hand. Tired of fussy dado setups? The Woodpecker's Tray. Dado Nut takes the frustration out of stacking blades. This clever threaded spacer system replaces chipper shims for precise dado width adjustments. You simply twist the dado nut to fine-tune your cut. No trial and error. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's built for strength and accuracy. It fits snugly between your blades, locking everything in place with zero wiggle. With each click of adjustment, you know exactly what you're getting. No more measuring and remeasuring between cuts. Your dados will be dead on every time. It's the upgrade your table saw has been waiting for. Give your drill press the angle accuracy it deserves with the Woodpecker's Drill Press Protractor. This tool transforms your machine into a precision drilling station with easy angle referencing. Attach it to your table and instantly measure tilt and rotation in one smart setup. The large protractor face and fine pointer make alignment quick and frustration-free. Perfect for compound angles, dowel holes, and more. Built from tough aluminum and clear-coated for durability, it's ready for real shop abuse. Whether you're building jigs or drilling furniture parts, this tool ensures you're always right on target. A small upgrade with massive impact on your results. Smooth, clean edges are no longer a dream with the Woodpecker's carbide-tipped flush trim bit. This powerhouse delivers razor-sharp results when trimming laminates, patterns, or edge banding. The dual-bearing design keeps it stable whether you're routing from the top or bottom. Built with premium carbide, it slices through hardwoods like butter and keeps its edge far longer than standard bits. The precision ground flutes ensure chip-free, glassy finishes every time. It's a must-have for template routing or duplicating complex shapes. No burning, no chatter, just flawless flush cuts. Add this to your router arsenal and elevate your craftsmanship. Serious edge control starts here. Keep your shop clean and your lungs happy with the Woodpecker's Mag Quick Dust Port. This magnetic dust collection system clicks into place instantly. No tools, no fuss. Perfect for routers, bandsaws, and other benchtop tools, it captures dust right at the source. The rare earth magnets lock it in tight, and the flexible hose port swivels easily to follow your setup. Switch it between machines in seconds without breaking a sweat. It's built tough, yet lightweight enough to never get in your way. Say goodbye to clumsy clamps and duct tape fixes. For any shop that values cleanliness and convenience, this tool is a total game changer. Dial in flawless angles with the Woodpecker's Bevel Block and Bevel Squares. These precision-machined beauties let you set and verify angles down to the degree. The Bevel Block holds angles securely for tool setup or repeatable layout, while the square edges ensure accuracy every time. They're made from anodized aluminum and laser engraved for a lifetime of clarity. Perfect for custom furniture work, miter setups, or checking blade tilt. Their compact size makes them easy to store, yet powerful enough for big projects. Eliminate guesswork from your angle setups once and for all. Woodpecker's gives you sharp tools for sharper results. Corner glue-ups just got smarter with the Woodpecker's M2 box clamp. This clever clamp holds two boards at a perfect 90 degrees while leaving your hands free to fasten or glue. It's a dream come true for drawer and cabinet builders who demand square perfection. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless hardware, it's rugged enough for daily shop abuse. The oversized clamping screw delivers serious holding power without marring your material. Fast setup and teardown make it great for batchwork or one-off builds. Whether you're building boxes, cases, or frames, this clamp makes squaring up a breeze. Clamp it, glue it, done right every time. Take full control of your handheld router with the Woodpecker's StableMax Trim Router Base. This wide, stable platform adds rock-solid balance while routing delicate edges or tight corners. The clear acrylic base gives you full visibility, while the oversized footprint prevents tipping. It's great for edge profiling, flush trimming, and hinge mortising with total confidence. The built-in Micro Adjust lets you fine-tune with surgical precision. Compatible with popular compact routers, it's a serious upgrade for anyone tired of shaky results. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, this base makes a massive difference. Smooth, stable, and seriously satisfying to use. Miter joints giving you headaches? The Woodpecker's MCT 150P miter clamping tool is here to rescue your corners. This ingenious clamp applies even pressure across 45-degree joints, holding them tight and square during glue-ups. It's especially handy for picture frames, boxes, and trim work that demands perfection. The pivoting jaws and strong screw mechanism make setup fast and frustration-free. Made with precision-machined aluminum, it's strong, lightweight, and built to last. Say goodbye to gaps and slipping miters once and for all. When you need those corners clean and crisp, this clamp delivers every time. It's the miter clamp your projects deserve. Don't let the size fool you. The Woodpecker's Mini Square is a precision powerhouse. Designed for tight spaces and small parts, it gives you laser-accurate 90-degree references on the go. Whether you're squaring up a chisel, marking dovetails, or checking machinery, it fits where larger squares can't. Made from a solid block of anodized aluminum, it's both compact and nearly indestructible. The edges are perfectly machined, and the accuracy is dead on. Keep it in your apron or tool chest. Once you try it, it's always within reach. Ideal for fine joinery and touch-up work. Sometimes, the smallest tools make the biggest difference. Safety meets innovation with the Woodpeckers Freehand Guard. Your hands will thank you. This tool gives you a solid, slip-free grip while guiding workpieces through dangerous cuts. It works like a mobile fence, giving you full control without putting your fingers in harm's way. The large handle and adjustable foot keep it secure and steady across a range of material thicknesses. Use it on your router table, jointer, or bandsaw with confidence. It's lightweight but tough enough for repeated use. With safety and precision combined, it encourages better technique. Protect your hands and improve your work. This guard is a no-brainer. When pencil lines just won't cut it, reach for the Woodpecker's marking knife. This razor-sharp tool slices precise layout lines that your blade or chisel can follow with confidence. Crafted from high-carbon steel, it holds an edge incredibly well and resists dulling. The beveled blade design works perfectly for both right and left-handed users. It's ideal for fine joinery, dovetails, and mortise layouts where accuracy is key. The ergonomic handle feels natural in hand, offering balance and control. This is not just a marking tool, it's a layout precision instrument. Once you try it, your pencil may never come back. Draw perfect arcs and circles in seconds with the Woodpecker's Pocket Compass, your new go-to layout wizard. Compact enough to carry anywhere, it expands with precision to draw curves up to a surprising diameter. Built with smooth gliding hardware and laser-engraved scales, it ensures repeatable accuracy every time. Great for layout work on furniture, sign making, or decorative joinery. The hardened steel pivot pin keeps it locked on center without slipping. Designed to work directly off edges or over centers, it's incredibly versatile. Made from anodized aluminum, it's as durable as it is sleek. For clean, consistent curves on command, this compass delivers magic. That's a wrap on these awesome Woodpeckers tools. Hit like, subscribe for more cool tools, and drop a comment with your favorite. See you in the next one. Stay sharp and keep building.